In this tutorial, I'll show you how to vectorize in Canva. By the end, you'll convert a raster image or logo into a clean, scalable SVG file using Canva's built-in effects and export options. First, open Canva. You should be on the Home dashboard where you can start a new project. Click Create a Design. A blank canvas will open so you have space to work. Any size is fine for this process. The export will handle the vector format. Upload your image or logo using Uploads. On the left panel, click Uploads, then choose Upload Files, and select your image from your computer. Once it appears in the Uploads panel, you're ready to place it. Drag the image onto the canvas. Position it so it's easy to see. If needed, use the corner handles to make it larger so the edges and details are clear while you work. Click the image to make sure it's selected. You'll see the image toolbar appear above the canvas when it's active. Click Edit Image. This opens Canva's editing effects and adjustments on the left or in a sidebar. Apply duotone or threshold effect to simplify colors. In the Edit Image panel, scroll to find duotone, then click to open it. Choose a high contrast preset and adjust the highlights and shadows colors to reduce your design to simple, solid areas. If you see a threshold effect available, select it to push the image into strong black and white shapes. The goal is to remove gradients and soften edges, so the design is made of clear, flat colors that work better when vectorized. Take a moment to fine-tune the intensity until the shapes look solid and well-defined. Remove the background using Background Remover. With the same image selected, click Background Remover in the Edit Image panel. Canva will process the image and remove the background automatically. Wait for it to finish, then check the edges. If any leftover background is visible, run it once more or continue to the next step. You can refine the look with adjustments. Adjust colors and contrast to make shapes clean. Still in the Edit Image panel or in the Adjust section, increase contrast and clarity to sharpen edges. Nudge brightness and saturation if needed, so your primary shapes stand out and small artifacts fade away. If you use duotone, you can click back into it and set the two colors to the exact hues you want for your final vector. Aim for solid, uniform areas with minimal noise. This helps the exported SVG look crisp at any size. Click Share Arrow Download. Go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. This opens the download settings. Select SVG file type. From the File Type dropdown, choose SVG. SVG is a vector format, which means your image or logo will scale cleanly without losing quality. Confirm your selection so the export matches your simplified design. Click Download. Canva will prepare the SVG and save it to your computer. Once it's downloaded, you can open it in your browser or a vector editor to confirm the shapes are clean and the artwork scales without pixelation. That's it. The vectorization in Canva is complete, and your image or logo is now exported as an SVG and ready for use at any size. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.